update tonight, a judge declared a mistrial in the resentencing of Bessman Okafor. He killed a man back in 2012. As a result of this mistrial, a juror is now also locked up for allegedly talking about this case. And as Fox 35's Chris Lindsay explains, the victim's family is beyond frustrated.
This all started 11 years ago, and the Zaldivar family has been looking for justice and closure ever since. This mistrial means they'll have to wait even longer.
I'm hardened. I mean, I rarely cry anymore.
Rafael Zaldivar says today he's numb. He left the courtroom yesterday and later learned there was a mistrial for the man who killed his son.
I was livid. I was emotionally drained.
Bessman Okafor was convicted for the murder of Alex Zaldivar in 2015. Since then, it's been a matter of if he'll serve life in prison or receive the death penalty.
My job is to make sure that we put him back in a 6x9 box. Whether they execute him or not, but I want him in that box.
A few years ago, Okafor was placed on death row. The jury then voted 11-1 for the death penalty, but that was overturned by the Florida Supreme Court because the vote was not unanimous. Florida now has a new law saying jurors do not need to be unanimous on the death penalty anymore. This resentencing trial was going to use that new law. It requires 8 juror votes in favor of the death penalty.
It is a serious thing, and I think that's why the other jurors took it seriously.
Zaldivar says a lone juror cost him his closure.
She had talked to a friend that knew my son, which we don't know, and they discussed the case.
That's against the rules. According to the Orange County Clerk's office, the juror was charged with indirect contempt of court, and they're being held in jail until further notice.
We're just going to have to keep pushing and never give up.
There's no hard timeline on when the next trial would begin. The family is trying to get it started as soon as possible, though. They have their eyes set on the top of next year. In Orange County, Chris Lindsay, Fox 35 News.